Welcome to the law offices of Sabrina Li. If your OPT application was hit with a NOID over alleged unauthorized employment, this video may help you. But first, take a look at this I-765 approval notice. We showed USCIS the flagged item was not employment, and the OPT was granted.
Sabrina is a certified immigration law specialist. Only 1% of attorneys in the US can earn this recognition. If you are in a similar situation, please call 213-375-8096 to schedule a consultation with us.
Our client first entered the United States on an F-1 student visa in 2017 and enrolled in a full-time academic program at a major American university. Like many students in design and technology fields, she built a portfolio project during her studies, a conceptual mobile app design she developed to practice her skills and prepare for the job market after graduation. To describe her role in the project on her resume and portfolio, she used startup-style titles such as founder and head of product development, labels meant to reflect that she had initiated and designed the concept. In June 2025, she filed Form I-765 requesting post-completion OPT. What made this case genuinely difficult was that USCIS did not dispute her eligibility for OPT. On review, the agency confirmed she qualified for employment authorization under the relevant regulation. The threat came from a different direction. A routine background and SEVIS check picked up the project and its titles, read them as evidence of a company and active employment, and in October 2025, USCIS issued a notice of intent to deny, alleging she may have engaged in unauthorized employment. This is a trap that catches far more international students than people realize. Design, technology, and business students are encouraged to build portfolio pieces, mock-ups, and startup simulations to demonstrate initiative and to describe them in impressive, resume-friendly terms. But a title like founder attached to a personal project can look, to an officer reviewing a file, exactly like a real job. For an F-1 student, that misreading can turn a harmless learning exercise into an unauthorized employment allegation. A denial here would not have simply cost our client a work permit. It could have ended her lawful F-1 status and created a record capable of shadowing every future immigration application she ever filed. We built a focused response aimed at the one question that decided the case, whether the flagged project actually met the legal definition of employment under federal immigration regulations. At a high level, we established the true nature of the project and answered USCIS on the legal standard the agency is required to apply, then filed a complete response ahead of the deadline. In June 2026, USCIS approved the I-765. The employment authorization document was issued valid through October 31, 2026, the legal work authorization our client needed to begin her career in the United States. This case highlights one of the most overlooked risks facing international students today. The way you describe your own work can create an immigration problem. Universities encourage students to build portfolios, prototype ideas, and present them like real ventures, and students naturally reach for impressive titles like founder or head of product. For domestic students, that framing is harmless. For F-1 students, it can prompt a USCIS finding of unauthorized employment, because officers evaluate what the record appears to show, not what you privately intended. As this case shows, even a student with a spotless, fully authorized work history can be flagged over something that was never a job. Finally, remember, a notice of intent to deny is not a denial. USCIS issues NOIDs precisely because the law requires the agency to give applicants a chance to be heard before a final decision. That window, however narrow, is a genuine opportunity, but only if the response meets the agency on its own legal terms, with the right evidence, submitted correctly and on time.
If you or someone you know has been affected by a similar situation, contact the law offices of Sabrina Li at 213-375-8096 or email us at info@sabrinali.law.
Our legal team will do everything in our power to handle your case. Your American dream, our commitment.